Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You already have your slide deck. Now open PowerPoint and go straight to Insert then Zoom. Choose Summary Zoom if you want an overview, Slide Zoom for individual slides, or Section Zoom to jump between grouped slides. Pick the slides or sections you want in the Zoom selector. Click Create. Once done, a Zoom thumbnail appears on your slide. This is your interactive navigation hub. Make sure to save immediately so you don't lose the new Zoom links. After creating your Zoom, click any Zoom thumbnail to open Zoom tools and format options. You can toggle Return to Zoom so you come back after each link slide, enable Fade for smoother transitions, and choose whether the Zoom uses the slide background. Resize and position the thumbnail where viewers expect it. Add a label or icon to clarify purpose. Once configured, test each link and slide, show mode to confirm the sequence and appearance behave the way you intend. Finish by running your presentation and actively testing each Zoom link. You are looking for correct targets, and that return to Zoom brings you back. If a thumbnail doesn't jump correctly, delete it, reselect the intended slide or section, and recreate the Zoom. Links sometimes break after moving slides. Make sure to save as a PowerPoint, PPTX, because exporting to PDF or video removes interactivity. One tip: if animations or backgrounds behave oddly, disable Fade or update PowerPoint to the latest build.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.